gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Huawei clearly knows what young users want. The new Nova 16 series feels like it was made specifically for the younger generation, especially for summer, but that's not even the biggest surprise. After using both Nova 16 models, I noticed one thing right away. Almost every detail is designed with young people in mind. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Let's start with the design. Huawei introduced a new clear sky wave concept, inspired by the relaxing feeling of waves along the beach. Each color tells its own story. The Nova 16 Pro's sky blue finish captures the fresh vibe of summer ocean waves, while the Nova 16's white version reminds you of a clear, endless sky. Instead of plain colors, these finishes feel more vibrant, stylish, and full of personality. Huawei has stayed consistent with this youthful design language. The bright colors naturally attract students and younger users who love standing out. Add the signature dual-ring camera design, and both phones instantly become eye-catching. They're more than smartphones, they're stylish summer accessories. With summer vacation and the June 5th launch, it's easy to see exactly who Huawei designed these phones for. Now let's talk about the display. Both phones feature 2.5D four-sided micro-curved screens that feel comfortable in the hand without being overly curved. They also support adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rates. The Nova 16 Pro gets an LTPO panel, while the Nova 16 uses LTPS. Both displays are bright, reaching around 850 nits, making outdoor viewing easy. Huawei also included high-frequency PWM dimming, making long hours of scrolling, studying, or watching videos much easier on the eyes. The stereo speakers are another bonus. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or binge-watching shows, the audio feels rich and immersive. Now comes the part most people are waiting for: gaming. Even the standard Nova 16 now packs the Kirin 9010S, and honestly, the performance surprised me. Huawei's software and hardware optimization through StarCloud architecture really makes a difference. Popular games run smoother than expected. In Honor of Kings and Peace Elite, both phones stayed close to 120 FPS during 1-hour sessions. Honor of Kings averaged around 115 FPS, while Peace Elite averaged about 116 FPS. Even during intense teamfights, gameplay stayed smooth. Heat management is equally impressive. Temperatures stayed around 40 degrees Celsius, so the phones felt warm but never uncomfortable. Even Genshin Impact performed better than expected. During a 30-minute session, both phones averaged 56.8 FPS. Heavy battles occasionally dropped to around 30 FPS, but Huawei's cooling and optimization quickly pushed performance back towards 60 FPS, keeping gameplay smooth overall. Battery life is another huge surprise. Both Nova 16 models come with massive 7,000 mAh batteries. After 3 hours of mixed usage, the Nova 16 still had 71% battery left, while the Pro held 73%. Even after another 30 minutes of Genshin Impact, both phones still had around 60% remaining. That means a full day from morning until night is easily achievable. Charging is just as impressive. Both support 100-watt fast charging, reaching 100% in about 64 to 65 minutes. The first 30 minutes are the real highlight. The Nova 16 charged to 53%, while the Pro reached 57%. So even if you're rushing out the door, a quick charge gives you plenty of power to keep going. Before we wrap up, there's one thing that might surprise you. The Nova 16 series isn't just about hardware. HarmonyOS 6.1 and the upgraded Harmony AI bring plenty of smart features that make everyday use even better. One of my favorites is the new AI collage feature. You can combine up to 9 photos into creative layouts, including mirror-style designs, and Harmony AI can even generate the composition for you. There's also 3D dynamic photos. It transforms regular motion photos into immersive 3D images, making your social media posts look far more eye-catching. Students will also appreciate HarmonyOS AI. Whether you need help understanding a topic or finding answers, it's always ready to assist. Add HarmonyOS vision and translation, and you get a complete AI experience right out of the box. Now let's move to what young users care about most: cameras. Huawei has clearly made photography a priority, especially on the Nova 16 Pro. It features the dual red maple imaging system and a rare 200-megapixel main camera, backed by powerful telephoto and ultra-wide lenses. Thanks to red maple imaging on both the front and rear cameras, colors stay natural and consistent, even in difficult lighting. Skin tones look realistic wherever you shoot. The 200-megapixel RYYB main camera captures outstanding detail during the day, and even when you zoom in, images remain impressively sharp. At night, the RYYB sensor pulls in more light, producing brighter, cleaner, and more detailed photos. Whether you're capturing city lights, food, or memories with friends, the results really stand out. The 50-megapixel RYYB telephoto camera is another highlight. Better light intake means sharper zoom shots even after sunset, making nighttime photography much more practical. And yes, Huawei's excellent macro photography is here too, letting you capture tiny details with ease. From the main camera to telephoto, from color accuracy to fine detail, from landscapes to night shots, ultra-wide photos, and macro images, the Nova 16 series is ready for almost every shooting scenario. Looking at the complete package, it's clear that real-world experience matters more than specs alone. Design, gaming, cameras, software, battery life, and value are what most people actually care about. That's exactly where the Nova 16 series shines. It combines stylish looks with practical features for entertainment, learning, and social sharing. Whether you're traveling during summer, hanging out with friends, creating content, or capturing everyday memories, these phones fit that lifestyle perfectly. Price is another big advantage. Young buyers want great value without giving up style or quality, and Huawei delivers exactly that. The Nova 16 Pro stands out with its red maple imaging system, flagship-level 200-megapixel RYYB camera, excellent selfies, strong night photography, eye-catching sky blue design, smooth gaming, long battery life, and smart AI features. Despite some hardware differences between models, the overall experience competes well with many higher-end phones. The standard Nova 16 is also a solid choice, while the Pro and Ultra models feature Kirin 9010D processors for impressive performance at mid-range pricing. You also get Huawei's 50-megapixel RYYB imaging technology, a quality display, premium design, and pricing that remains student-friendly despite rising smartphone costs. Huawei didn't stop there. The Nova 16 series also supports Beidou satellite messaging, 5A communication, Star Flash, Wi-Fi 7, dual-frequency GPS, and triple-frequency Beidou positioning, continuing Huawei's strong connectivity tradition. If you buy before June 30th, Huawei also includes valuable service benefits like screen protection, motherboard water damage coverage, rear camera and back cover protection, plus extended battery and official warranty support. For students and young users, that's extra peace of mind and adds even more value. Overall, the Nova 16 series delivers a balanced experience with stylish design, reliable performance, powerful cameras, smart AI features, and competitive pricing. If you're planning to upgrade your phone, these devices are definitely worth checking out. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!